How to fix Roblox error 524. So Roblox error 524 means you don't have permission to join a game or private server. And to fix it, the first thing that you need to do is to go ahead and check your privacy settings. So on the Roblox app or the Roblox website, go ahead and click on the settings icon at the top right, and then click on settings under this. And then in here, head over into the privacy and content restriction. And then from this section, go ahead and look for who can invite me to private servers. So click on this visibility and private servers. And then make sure to set this to everyone or friends. These allows others to invite you to private games. Now the second option that you have is to get an invitation. So you must be on the guest list or invited to join private servers. So ask the server owner to add you or send an invite link. And lastly, try joining a public server. If the game has public servers, try joining those instead. Private servers are restricted unless you're invited. So if all of this fails, the last option that you have is to check the server status of Roblox. So on another tab, go ahead and search for Roblox status. And then under results, go ahead and click on this first result. And then in here, you'll be able to find if Roblox servers are down. So server maintenance or outages can trigger error 524. Take note to avoid VPNs or proxies which can interfere with server access, and Roblox does not support VM or virtual machines or cloud-based emulators. If the issue persists, contact Roblox support or check community forums, and that is how you can basically fix Roblox error 524.